that been granted, and why do you need state security?
Yeah, you know, let me tell you this. Yes, in fact, maybe I can show you some of this. I even carry them just to show you. You can see 3 judge benches in the past in petitions served to all offices. You can see all the stamps. Have ordered that I report to the OCS in some police station, and I did. They've ordered the OCS to come to court and tell the court what is happening. And after hearing the OCS, the court has ordered 3 judge bench. The court has noted the petition application for security. The court hereby directs the police to provide security to the petitioner. This was November 2012. It never happened to date. And they keep on going back to court. Court keeps on ordering them. And in 2007, 2009, I was arrested maliciously for stealing my own Range Rovers. Yet the Kenya Revenue had declared their mine. I even sued them. Kenya Revenue stealing court says they are mine. The DCI's office has established a report even after me suing them, when the new DCI came in board, the previous one, not this one. Welcome on board. Let's investigate this matter again. And they came up with a report that the cars belonged to me, and there was malice. And the report has been sat on by the office of the DCI and the DPP to date. Yet that court, when I submitted to court, the court was shocked because the DPP, the DCI, the Attorney General, the IG, that time the Commissioner of Police, all came to court and conceded the surrender to my application and my claims of being persecuted and under witch hunt. And look at what order the court gave. The respondents, their agents and servants, and whosoever be and hereby stop from harassing, persecuting, arresting, prosecuting, or instituting any case against the petitioner, her children, her agent, and her servants.
All right.
So basically what I'm telling you, all these court orders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 courts, have seen that I'm being persecuted, I'm being arrested.
All right.
And do you know, just a moment, I have faced gunmen on 4 occasions. We have been shot at with my children. This has happened. Outside the courts, we have been surrounded by vehicles and pointed at guns with witnesses. Those witnesses, one is the chairman of the Workers' Congress Party, which I ran for in the last 2010 general election. One is a reverend of the church. We went to the IG's office. We put our complaints even for the witness protection. Everybody runs away from
Nazlin, I think we need half a day with you at this rate, but we're out of time. And, you know, they say that time waits for no man.
Yes.
In just a second, what is your solution for Kenya?
I'm opposed to the government. Of course, there's no doubt about that. I'm the most vocal opposition, the only one remaining. The rest have all amalgamated into one corrupt scheme calling itself a government. But I'm happy on one condition, that the president has now come up and said that he wants to fight corruption. So let me tell you the way. None of your officers, Mr. President, is able to do this. I'm willing to work with the government free of charge, don't pay me.
The same government that you're calling illegal.
On one condition. Appoint me as head of anti-corruption. I will work for free, and I can only do this on one condition, that the president gives me that appointment, only answering to him. The EACC, the DCI, the IG, the CS of security, and the DPP all are answerable to me. I think I want to do that. Yeah, I'll be happy to work with the president on that.
Like a tall order, but because of time, we'll have to wind up right there. Nazlin Umar, thank you very much for joining us this morning.